Hello everyone, I'm Josh, and these are your 5-minute uniforms, or FMUs, and today we're talking about boots. To go over some of the things you're going to need for your shoe shine kit, first you're going to need a holding container. I just use a cleaning kit. You're also going to want to use kiwi shoe polish, kiwi polishing cloth, a nylon, 2 horsehair brushes, and a toothbrush. Now, the welts. For the welts, what you want to do is grab your smaller brush and you want to dab it in the polish, and you want to go all the way around and into the sole. You also want to blacken your tongue. Then after this, you want to take your thinner horsehair brush or your softer one and you want to buff it all around like so. Observe. Now, I'm going to show you the brush on, brush off method. This is a good way to get layers fast, and even if you do this at the bare minimum every weekend, you'll start to see a shine. All you really truly need is your big horsehair brush, your small horsehair brush, and a nylon. I will now demonstrate. So, to move on to the actual spit polishing portion, I'm going to show you the ins and outs. So first, you want to take your kiwi cloth and fold it in half. This is just so it provides a thicker layer. So nice and folded in half. Then you find a spot where there isn't polish. You never want to use the same spot twice. So I think I can just do here. You want to put it over top of one finger and one finger only, and then you do a wrap technique. Just like that. So this is what it should look like. Just like that. So now, you would like to use lots of water because the water kind of helps it work in a lot easier. If you just use polish, you're going to notice a lot of resistance and it's going to be very tough and you're not going to see the results you want to see. So first, you want to get a little bit of water on, get that nice and wet. Then after that, you want to just apply a thin layer of polish. So you just want to do a slight circle motion, and then you can see there's going to be a black dot there. Now, you want to apply not super hard pressure, but just a little bit. And then you just want to start doing small little circles. Of course, sped up. So like so. Make sure to also get within this key part. And also more water. You should always have a thin bead of water, such as this, on your boot. To polish your heels, it's the exact same, but it's always supposed to be standard that your heel matches your toe, so make sure that happens. Also, make sure to always work in all the water, so keep doing those circles until it's gone, because if not, it's going to dry onto your boots and it does not look good. Also, if you start seeing scratches show up in your boots, it's called scouring, and to prevent that, simply just use a different spot on your cloth. Right. Now that we've covered the do's, now let's cover the don'ts. So for starters, the most crucial point, don't stop as soon as you see that shine. If you see that tiny bit of shine, I can assure you there's a lot more to come. I would recommend you go for at least 2 to 3 minutes longer past that shine without adding more polish, because if not, you start to get that boot cancer, and it will truly surprise you. You'll see that surface shine, but it will get even better. So this has been your FMU on boots. If you have any questions, come talk to me or talk to your flight staff. I look forward to seeing those shiny boots.